Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video, we are going to discuss how you can enable Ajax add to cart functionality in your WordPress WooCommerce website. So, for example, if I go here and view this page, if I click here, then I want view cart here. So now let's see how we can enable that. We can install a new plugin. Here you can get this plugin Shop Lenter and then type here Shop Lenter. You can install the free version from here, and then for the paid version you can upload the zip file from here. So let me show you. I have installed both of these. Then after that, let's go back to the plugin settings, click on modules, then scroll down. Here you can find out this one. Let me disable and then enable this one, Ajax add to cart functionality. On this product page, if I click here add to cart, now here you can see this one, view cart. So this one is added.